Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 5 seed and defending champions, Munro College, up against number 60 seed, Spot Valley High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz 2018. We begin with Munro College, which is represented by Delana Mullings, Renaldino Henry, Kirkland Webb, and team captain Brandon Larmond. And Spot Valley High is represented by Sean Hilton, Ruth Graham, team captain Theodore Irving, and Kimali Edmondson. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone and welcome to the first match of our doubleheader in round 1 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Yvonne Chin Irving and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Spot Valley High won and decided to let Munro go first. So we begin with Munro College. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So let's get that time on the clock, please. Munro, mathematics. What is 200 squared minus 198 squared?
So 398 times 2. 16, 2, 9, 18, 19, 2, 3, 6. 796.
796
is correct. Mathematics, Spot Valley. What is 100 squared minus 96 squared? The bell came first, so the question goes to Munro.
784.
784
is correct. Still with Munro. International affairs, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Charles Sovereign. Charles Sovereign.
Correct. That's the president of Dominica. International affairs now for Spot Valley. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. No, Jovenel Moy, president of Haiti. History for Munro. Which country sold land, including the present-day state of Louisiana, Arkansas, and Oklahoma, to the USA in 1803?
France
is correct. History, Spot Valley. Name the Soviet man of steel who was educated for the priesthood but was expelled from the seminary. Pardon? No, it's Joseph Stalin. Music, an audio question for Munro. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Miley Cyrus.
No, it's Fergie. Music and audio question for Spot Valley. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Christina Perry.
Is correct. Physics. This is for Munro. What is the name for the tendency of an object to remain in a state of rest unless acted upon by an external force?
Inertia.
Correct. Physics, Spot Valley. Which scientific law would be violated by a perpetual motion machine?
Newton's first law.
Pardon?
Newton's first law.
No, it's the law of conservation of energy. Theatre and cinema visual question for Munro College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt.
Is correct. Theatre and cinema visual for Spot Valley. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Johnny Depp, right? It's 1, 2, 3.
Johnny Depp.
Good, yes. Spanish. This one is for Munro. Translate to English. Hace mucha calor.
It is hot. No, it is very hot. It is very hot.
Correct. Spanish. Spot Valley. Translate to English. ¿Cuál es su número de teléfono?
What is your telephone number?
Correct. Sport a visual question, Munro. Look at the monitor and identify the person, please.
Carlos Bradley. Carlos Bradley. Carlos Bradley.
Correct. Sport a visual question. Spot Valley. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Dwayne Bravo.
No, that's Jason Holder. Information technology. This is for you, Munro. An API is the interface used for building web applications. What does API stand
Application
for?
Programming Interface.
Application Programming Interface.
Correct. Information technology, Spot Valley. What is the term used to refer to a software flaw that prevents a website or program from working properly?
Virus.
No, a bug. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Munro College on 9 points and Spot Valley High on 3 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Jamaican Heritage. The question is, the Reverend Percival Gibson was a former bishop of which church denomination in Jamaica? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it will be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns after these messages.